Hello everyone, I welcome you all to this particular video where we are going to demonstrate about emoji feature in Excel. So here you can see we have different information like the employee name, the gender and also the performance of the employee. Now I want this performance to be replaced by emojis. So if the performance of the employee is good, it should be replaced with a smiling emoji. And if the performance of the employee is bad, it should be replaced by a sad emoji. Also, we want to use if statement to fill this emojis automatically. So let's see how we can do that. So here you can see that I have already inserted two smileys, the face and the sad happy face and the sad face. So first I want to identify what is the code. Okay, what is the code for this particular emojis. So for that we have a formula that is equal to Unicode, and you can see here it will give me the number corresponding to the text. So here it is, so I'll click on Unicode and I'll select it, enter. So here you'll get the corresponding code number 128578, and similarly I want for here also, so I'll just drag this. Okay. Okay, so here I got the code. That was the first step here I did. Now after this I'm going to use a if statement here. What will happen with this code? We can use a unique character function, can use a unique character function, and if you feed them, if you feed the number, it will be it is going to give me the same output once again. Okay, so here we are going to do the same steps, but again in terms of if condition. So I'll use an if statement, and the first argument here asks for the logic test. I want a smiley face, a face which is smiling if the performance is good. So a logic test should be that this particular cell is equal to good, comma. So this is my logical test here. I want to check whether it is written good here or not. And based on that, if it is true, I need unique character and a smiley code. So I'll just mention this 128578, comma, else I'm just going to give unique character and a sad face. So 97585. So now you can see that we have converted if statement into two outputs. The logical test, the value if true. If it is good, it is going to give me this smiley, and if it is bad, it is going to give me a sad smiley here. So it's sad emoji. And I'm going to click enter here, and yes. So here you can see that I got a smiley emoji, and I'm just going to copy this down. So here, every time the performance is good, it gives me a smiley emoji. If it is bad, it gives me a sad emoji. And also you can customize them colors as per your requirements. So we can also apply text formatting to these options. Also you can make it bold. Okay. Thank you for watching this video, and stay tuned for more such informational updates. Thank you.